Hi everyone, as you can see, I'm in the former Wilco building, where work is currently underway on the new indoor market. We've recently awarded the contract for the next phase of work to John Weaver Contractors, and if all continues to go to plan, the market will be open this winter. If you're a trader interested in a stall, please contact Sarah Bell at sttidfilshoppingcentre.co.uk. Earlier this week, phase 1 of our budget consultation ended. We've had almost 900 people take part, so thank you to everyone who took the time to have their say. Your voice really matters. We're now looking at the responses and we'll be back out for phase 2 in November. This week, we also held our first drop-in session for our newly branded Citizens Panel, Your Merthyr, Your Voice. Thank you to those who came along. We're keen to get even more people involved, so if you're interested in joining the panel, please email corporate.communications@merthyr.gov.uk. Finally, October marks Black History Month. This year's theme is Standing Firm in Power and Pride and celebrates the contributions made by Black people as leaders, activists and pioneers who've shaped history. For more information, please visit blackhistorymonth.org.uk. That's all from me this week. Have a great weekend and I'll see you all next week. Diolch.